Changing your car's oil can be a daunting task, but it's an important part of maintaining your vehicle's engine. This video will guide you through the process of changing your car's oil for the first time, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Before we start, we need to gather some supplies. You'll need a jack and jack stands, an oil filter wrench, an oil drain pan, a funnel, a new oil filter, and oil. Make sure to check your owner's manual to find out how much oil your car needs. Once you have everything, we can move on to the next step. Now that we have our supplies, it's time to prepare our car. Start by turning on the engine and letting it run for a few minutes to warm up the oil. Then, turn off the engine and locate the oil pan and drain plug underneath your car. Use the jack and jack stands to elevate the car and ensure that it's stable. Once you're ready, place the oil drain pan underneath the oil pan and remove the drain plug to let the old oil drain out. While the old oil is draining out, it's a good time to change the oil filter. Use the oil filter wrench to loosen the old filter and remove it. Make sure to remove the rubber gasket that's stuck to the engine as well. Afterward, apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of the new filter and screw it on hand tight. Once that's done, don't forget to take the old oil filter and dispose of it properly. With the old oil drained out and the new filter installed, we're ready to add new oil to our vehicle. Spread out a mat or paper towels under the filler cap to prevent spills and pour in the new oil through the funnel. Again, refer to your owner's manual to know how much oil your car needs. After adding the oil, screw the filler cap back on, start the engine, and let it run for a few minutes to ensure everything is working properly. Congratulations, you've just changed your car's oil for the first time. Remember, changing your car's oil is a routine part of maintenance that keeps your vehicle running smoothly. And with this step-by-step guide, you can do it yourself and save money in the process. Thanks for watching.